Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Perched along the scenic route through Kootenay National Park, the Kootenay Valley Viewpoint offers sweeping views across one of the most dramatic landscapes in the Canadian Rockies. From this vantage point, visitors can see the wide valley carved by the powerful flow of the Kootenay River, surrounded by rugged mountain peaks and forested slopes. The view highlights the immense scale of the Rockies and the natural forces that shape them over millions of years. The valley below was formed by a combination of ancient glaciers and flowing rivers that gradually sculpted the land. During the last ice age, massive glaciers filled much of this region, grinding down rock and deepening the valley as they slowly moved through the mountains. As the glaciers eventually retreated thousands of years ago, meltwater and rivers continued the process of erosion, leaving behind the broad valley and dramatic mountain scenery visible today. The modern road passing through the park is the historic Banff-Windermere Highway. Construction of this highway began in the early 1900s as part of an agreement between the government of British Columbia and the federal government. When the road was completed, the surrounding landscape was protected as Kootenay National Park in 1920, helping preserve this scenic corridor for travelers and nature lovers. Today, the Kootenay Valley Viewpoint offers visitors a chance to pause and take in the vast scale of the Rocky Mountains. Looking out across the valley, it becomes clear how rivers, glaciers, and time itself have shaped this landscape. Whether viewed on a clear summer day or during the changing colors of autumn, the panorama from this lookout remains one of the most memorable sights along the journey through Kootenay National Park. Thanks for watching!